My name is Çağla Zimmermann. I am an illustrator and a designer. I work with galleries, musicians, and charities. My art prints have been sold worldwide, and some of my designs have turned into stationery products. When I paint, it's only me and my inner world. Each brush stroke opens a new door to express our feelings. I mainly paint with gouache. It is perfect to materialize my ideas. It's a very forgiving medium with its matte finishes and very pigmented colors. Gouache allows me to apply multiple layers on top of each other and add as much detail as I want. The freedom this material gives me helps me to develop my poetic and my playful style and spread happiness and hope with my work. In this Domestika course, you will discover all the secrets of gouache painting techniques. As a final project, you will illustrate a gouache illustration with fall floral motifs. First, I will show you the materials I use and how to care for your brushes. Then, we will look at how to mix, layer, and blend colors. After that, we will see how to explore detailed brushes. In the next step, you will learn how to find inspiration and the basics of composition. We will then sketch our final project before painting the tail and the houses of our illustration. We will also add the last details, the trees, the cloud, and the sun. Finally, we will edit our work on Photoshop and discuss how to use social media effectively to share our work with the world. By the end of this course, you will be able to develop your own unique style with gouache techniques. To follow my steps, you will need some art supplies such as gouache, brushes, and watercolor paper. Learn all the gouache possibilities and let the brushes speak for themselves.